Hey guys, I'm Kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do a spa-like pedicure at home using products from the Dollar Tree. So as you guys know, most of us are practicing self-quarantine right now due to COVID-19. So we are all stuck in the house. That means no trips to the nail shop, no trips to the hair salon, no trips to TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So it is a rough time right now. And I don't know about y'all, but I've been sitting in the house looking real busted. So I decided it was time to give myself a little spa day. I've been a little stressed about everything, just ready to be out the house and for everything to be back to normal. So yeah, I figured I could use a little spa day just to relax and unwind, and my feet definitely needed it. So I decided to save some money and take a trip to the Dollar Tree just to see what they had to offer as far as like nail care and skin care and just stuff like that. And I was actually surprised by what I saw. They had a lot of different products, and it's crazy because it's Dollar Tree, so everything was $1. So I really had to hold back and try not to buy everything. Yeah, ended up finding quite a lot of things that I bought came out to like $17. So a nice spa pedicure for under $20, like you can't beat that. So yeah, everything that I use in this video will be from the Dollar Tree except for the polish. The white polish that I use in this video I previously bought from the beauty supply store because the Dollar Tree that I went to didn't have any white polish, and that's what I really wanted on my toes. Yeah, I ended up using my own white polish, but everything else that I used in the video was from the Dollar Tree. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. So as you guys can see, I was definitely able to rack up, and I got a bunch of different stuff for just $1. So let me go ahead and get into what all I got. So first up, I got a base coat and a top coat, and I got this purple polish because like I said, they didn't have white, but I ended up using my own white polish. But I got these 3 polishes and they worked really well. So then I found this apricot exfoliating scrub, and I'll just be using this for, you know, the bottom of my feet, get it nice and exfoliated and nice and smooth, and it smelled really good. And I wanted something to put in the water just to kind of, you know, soak my feet in. And I found this mineral bath soak, and on it, it has sore, tired feet. And that's definitely what we have. So I was very excited when I found this. So this was definitely a great find. Next, I just have these nail files, and they came in a pack of 4, which was really cool because I get to, you know, do my nails and everything, and I'll have some left over. And they also have the little point at the end, so I can go ahead and get into my cuticles and stuff like that. And this is definitely my favorite item that I found. It is a moisturizing foot treatment mask, and if you go to the nail shop and you look through their, you know, list of pedicures, they have like the little moisturizing thing where you can get your foot in the plastic bag, and they have like the different things that they put in it, and it's really expensive. So I was happy to find this for $1, and I get to do it at home, like yes. Then I just picked up this cuticle trimmer, a foot filer, this pedicure set, and I picked up this moisturizer, but I saw that it was already open, so I ended up having to throw it away, which was a bummer. I also picked up some flowers to put in the water just to really give us the spa feel. Also picked up a white towel, again for the spa feel because my towels are pink and I just wanted a really professional kind of look. And I also found this bowl, and I probably could have got something bigger, but I didn't really see anything bigger than this, so I squeezed my little feet in this bowl and it worked out. Alright, so moving on to the pedicure, the first thing I'm doing is filling up my bowl with some water, and as you can see, I lit some candles just to really give me a nice relaxing feel. I filled my bowl up about halfway, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my mineral soak, and I'm just going to sprinkle that into the water. And like I said, it has a really nice like lavender smell to it, so that was really enjoyable and relaxing. After that, I just popped my flowers off of the stems and I just put them into the water. This is how it looks, of course, when you pop it off of the stem. I just wanted to show you guys it was really easy to take off. So now I'm just going to take the polish off of my toes, and I did get this polish remover from the Dollar Tree, just not on this trip. I already had it at home. And I will go ahead and be the first to say it, I do not have the prettiest feet, but I make it work. So yeah, we're gonna roll with it. And after all of my polish was removed, I went ahead and put my feet in, and I let them soak for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I was just on my phone, just kind of chilling and enjoying it. Next, I took my apricot scrub and I took my foot filer, and I just went ahead and I used the like sandy side first, and then I used the scraper side just to go ahead and get my feet nice and scrubbed. And now that I'm all done with that, I just stuck my feet back in the water, and I'm just kind of rinsing them off to get all of the scrub off. And now I'm taking my feet out, and I'm just going to dry them a little bit and begin working on my cuticles. So I really did enjoy the fact that the filer had the little point at the end. I was really able to, you know, dig in there and just push my cuticles back and remove all of the dead skin and everything. Next, I took my cuticle trimmer and just trimmed up my cuticles, and this little leaf was definitely hating on me on this part, and it literally covered my toe up, but I was just clipping my cuticles and just cleaning it up. And then I went ahead and did the same thing to my other foot. Next, I took the filing part and I just went ahead and filed my toes, and I really like my toes to be square. I make sure I tell them at the nail shop, not square round. I don't like that. I like for them to be square. So I'm just sawing away at my toes. And now my favorite part, I'm going to take the moisturizing foot mask, and they came in a pair, of course, and I just took my scissors and cut across the top and then opened it up and went ahead and stuck my foot in. And they feel really good. Like, soon as you stick your foot in, it just feels like very moisturizing, and it has like a cooling sensation. I really did enjoy this, and it was only $1, so can't get no better than this. So I let my feet sit in this for about 15 to 20 minutes while I was just on my phone. And like I said, it feels really good. Like the cooling sensation and just all of the moisture that's inside. It was very relaxing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and slip them off of my feet. And as you can tell, it leaves a lot of residue on your feet. I wiped a little bit of it off because it was a little bit too much. But then I just rubbed the rest of it into my feet, especially around my toes, because that is like the driest part. So next, I just went ahead and polished my toes. I put on my base coat first, And then I went in with my white polish that I had already previously bought from the beauty supply store. And then after that, I went in with my top coat. And that is it, you guys. I absolutely loved all of the products that I got. My feet felt so refreshed and so moisturized and clean. I was definitely in love and I felt just so relaxed, and I really did enjoy my little spa day. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And go out and get you some spa products from the Dollar Tree. Don't forget to wear your mask because we're not trying to get no corona. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.